Yeah. So here's D. So you gotta take the derivative of this. So this is going to be 7v prime minus 2u prime. And that's it. And then now you plug in numbers.
Wait, what?
So 7 times 2 minus 2 times -3. 14 plus 6 will give you 20.
20?
Yeah.
It is 20.
Because 14 plus 6 is 20.
I'm like, you're getting this. Oh, yeah, the. Oh! No.
I don't know what else to tell you. 14 plus 6 is 20.
It's processing in my mind right now.
Okay. It might process a little faster if you don't just yell out stuff too. Think about it first. Alright. So that's 23. So that's 25. Which of the following numbers is the slope of the line tangent to the curve? Okay, so we've got to take the derivative of 25 and then plug in 3 for x. So we got x squared plus 5x. So if we take the derivative of this, the y prime is equal to 2x plus 5, and they tell us x equals 3. Okay. Yeah. So you plug 3 in there. 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is what, Kelvin?
2 times 3? 6.
And 6 plus 5 is?
11.
11. That's where I got the 11 from.
Not dumb.
I didn't say you were. So your answer is, I guess the answer choice 3. Okay. 27, 29, 31, 27 and 29.
I know it's number 25.
I'll do 27.
29?
Yeah, I'll do 29.
It's like negative.
I'll do 27 last.
Negative.
Although you guys should be able to do that one. 29,
You want to do it? Go do it.
31,
Please elaborate on how you do this.
35.
I'm doing it right now.
Okay, I'll do 29. You should be able to do 35 after that, because the only problem there, I imagine, is the negative exponent. So 29. Y is equal to 4x. 4x negative 2 minus 8 plus 1. Alright, so we gotta take the derivative of that. So you're just gonna take the derivative of each term. So the rule still applies. We bring the power down, multiply with that, so you get negative 8. And then 1 less than negative 2 is?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. That's it. Minus 8. Yeah.
Can you explain that?
Yeah, so the power, the power rule. Is that, right? So we bring the power down, and then we subtract 1 from that. So we bring the power down. So 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And then when we subtract 1 from negative 2, you get negative 3. And then the derivative of negative 8x is just negative 8. I don't know if they changed that to a fraction. It is a fraction. Alright, so now that you've dealt with the negative exponent, you should be able to do 35, because it's just negative exponents again. Yeah.
What if for accepting the
No.
you know they ask you to do it for
I can't hear you. Kelvin's talking right now. Go ahead, Ken.
So, you know when they start asking you for the fourth derivative?
Yeah.
Function. What if they x starts as x to the power 2 and it goes to 0 and then it has to go to negative 1? Does it have to you write down 0
Oh.
to 0, then x to the 0, then x to the negative 1.
Well, I guess it's going to be 0 each time, right? Because it's 0 times that.
Yeah.
So it's just going to continue being 0.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's look at 31. Alright, that's the last one we're going to do. Y is equal to small plus small. Alright, so Aaron, can I just cancel these out? Which one? Hamza, can I just cancel these out? It's a yes or no question. Can you cancel these out? Sarah, can you cancel these out? Unette, can you cancel these out? No! You cannot cancel these out. Do not make that mistake. This is the algebra 1 mistake. It's the same thing as this. Are you just saying you can cancel these 2's out? No. You got to do the operation on top and the bottom first. Same thing here. You can't just cancel those out. Every time someone makes that mistake, I feel like I want to cry about it. Okay, so what rule are we going to use here? Quotient rule, right? Because we're taking the quotient of two things. So low, let's keep that in parentheses, d high, so the derivative of the top. Okay, so let's change this to that. Oh yeah. Is that better?
Oh, yeah.
Now you can take the derivative. So low d high, the derivative of the top is 1/2 x to the power of what? Negative 1/2 minus high square root of x. Alright, let's change that. Let's change everything so that has the exponents of 1/2. X to the power of 1/2. So low d high minus high d low. So the derivative of the bottom part is 1/2 x to the power of negative 1/2. So we change this one too. All over low squared. Alright, any questions there? Alright, we just did the calculus part. The rest of it is algebra. Which again is always what I'm saying. It's the hardest part about calculus is the algebra in there. So I'm going to leave this up to you guys. Because we still got time.
Should the bottom be x to the 1/2?
This right here?
Yeah.
You can change it to x. Because it's the same thing.
Oh, okay.
But I'm going to give you guys the answer. The answer, 1 over square root of x times square root of x plus 1 squared. Alright. Well, once you mess around with this, you should be able to get this.
Wait, why is there square root of x?
I don't know. Once you mess around with this, you should be able to get this. I don't know the steps in between. I just know that if you mess around with this, simplify this, you'll get this. So, your assignment tonight is to finish this problem. Finish 35 and do 27. Find the line tangent at a specific point. You have to be able to do that. Alright, it's going to be all over the AP test. That's why it's all over your homework. You got to be able to do it.
27, 31, and 35.
27. So finish up the assignment basically. You guys got 5 minutes now. Go ahead and try something.
So